What's my end goal of when I know once I got my hands in everything.
Facts.
Like, cause it's always something you can learn.
Yeah.
So it's more of a
Welcome back. I am your host Mo Gale, brought to you by Mo Gale Production 260. Go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and turn on your post notifications. Y'all know how it's go. So we got the ghost peppers, man. Yes, the spicy chicken noodles. So this is a try at your own risk. Again, try at your own risk. So let's go ahead and bust it open and get to it. So as y'all can see, I like the design. Now the noodle packet is definitely different. Alright, so the noodles is black. Now the noodles it kind of looked like a black licorice to me. And I smelt this motherfucker the first time, it went right through my nostril. I gotta brace myself, man. You never know. Alright, so we finna go ahead and taste it and see what it is. One little taste. I took one little bite. Boy, that motherfucker started kicking in. Let me tell you, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm serious. If y'all got one of them, go ahead and look for it. Ghost Pepper Spicy Chicken Noodles. Again, try at your own risk. Get you some milk, some juice, whatever you need. And if you go eat the whole thing, just stay by your toilet, man. That's all. That's the best advice I can give you. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm your host, Mo Gale. Brought to you by Mo Gale Production 260. Turn on the like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'm out.